Hi everyone, my name is Ms. Shiva and I'm here with the Kansas City Public Schools, and this is Science for 5th and 6th grade. Today and in next 4 episodes, we are going to learn about our body systems. In this video, we're going to look into our skeletal and muscular systems. After today's lesson, you will be able to describe function, structure, and importance of human skeletal and muscular systems. Let's get started.
Our body like a factory. It has an organizational hierarchy and different systems that accomplish different tasks. Our body is made up of over 1 trillion cells, has 206 bones, 320 pair of muscles, and 5 vital organs. It is an amazing complex of so many systems working together provide us life, movement, growth, repair, reproduction, cognitive functions, and so much more. Okay guys, before we talk about skeleton system and muscular system, let's talk about a body structural hierarchy. The most basic unit of the body is a single cell. When the groups of cells work together on a similar job, they call tissues. There are all sort of tissues in your body, such as skin, muscles, and nerves. When tissue work together to accomplish bigger job, they are called organs. Your kidney, heart, liver, and intestines are all organs. Even organs can work together to form organ system. Organ systems are made of number of different organs working together to accomplish a task. For example, the circulatory system is an organ system that circulates blood, oxygen, and nutrients throughout your body. And all systems together form organism. Last time we have learned about vertebrates. Human are vertebrates, meaning they have backbone or spinal cord. And the first human body system we're going to learn about is a skeletal system. The skeletal system has many functions. It supports your body and gives your body shape. It protects your internal organs such as your lungs and brain, and it stores calcium and other materials. The skeleton is made of hard bones and flexible hard tissue called cartilage. Cartilage is a smooth, firm, and flexible tissue that is found on the end of the bones. Cartilage cushions and reduces friction between bones in your joint. Cartilage is also found in your ears and nose. Even though bones seem just like a hard sticks in your body, they are actually complex organs which made of different kind of tissue. A hard outer membrane called periosteum, it's covered the outside of the bone. The periosteum has blood vessels and nerve ends that can signal a pain. Next is a compact bone is beneath the periosteum. Calcium and phosphorus minerals, which are deposited and stored in a compact bone, harden the bones. Spongy bone is found beneath the compact bone. in a long bone, such as your thigh bone or arm bone. Spongy bone is sort of like a hard sponge. It has a ton of little air pockets which make the bone lighter. And finally, a bone marrow fills bone cavities and spaces in the spongy bone. Bone marrow is either yellow or red. The yellow bone marrow is made of fat, while the red marrow is made of material that produces blood cells. Okay, joints where the bones meet, such as your knee and elbows. Your body moves around because of joints. There are 4 main types of the joint, and each has different kind of movement. Pivot joint, bones pivot or rotate around the central point, as your wrist, neck, and elbow. And a gliding joints, bones glide over each other in your wrist, ankles, and vertebrae. Hinge joint, bones hinge at the central point, sort of like a hinge on a door, as like knee, elbow, fingers, and toes. And finally, ball and socket joint, the bone is in socket, so it can rotate in a circle, like your shoulders and hips. Okay, let's summarize. So our skeleton structure has many functions as a support to your body, give you a shape, protect your internal organs, also stores calcium and other minerals, and you know about the structure as well. So let's go ahead and move on to a muscular system. The muscular system controls movement, both the kind of movement that allows you to walk and run, and the kind of movement that you have no control over, for example, like your heartbeat. Skeletal muscles are voluntary muscles that move bones, such as muscles on your arms or legs. The connective tissue that attach skeletal muscles to bones are called tendons. Skeletal muscles usually work in pairs around the bone. When one muscle contracts, another relaxes. Smooth muscles, involuntary muscles that work in internal organs like your digestive tract. And finally, cardiac muscles, involuntary muscles that make your heart pump. Cardiac muscles are found only in your heart. Alright guys, this is experiment time right now. Before I release you, I want to remind you that our skeletal system stores calcium and other minerals. So for this experiment, we need a chicken bone, raw chicken bone, some kind of container, plastic or glass, and a 5% vinegar, just a regular vinegar. So what we're going to do, we're going to add a vinegar to cover our bone completely, and we will get back to the results next week. Alright, so in my next video I will share the results of our experiment.
And that's it, what I have for you for today, guys. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.